Hey YouTube, how we doing? Alright, yeah, I know, another beard oil review. Nothing shocking there. You know, we've been doing a bunch of them on the channel. It's kind of cool. With fall scents dropping everywhere, I've gotten a little bit behind on some stuff, and I promised that this one would be out a while ago. So today we're going to take a look at damn Yankee Beard Company's Thankful. And we've got this one because of a very special twist. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, I start to roll the after everything, and the cuteness factor has a sneezing fit. So excuse me. There you go, baby. Make sure you get that in the trash. Hey, back off the camera so no one hears you blowing your nose. I'm sorry for that. But anyhow, I want to take one moment and say, you know, thanks for staying past that intro. And man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for finding this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, take a look right down below. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over there, click on it, whatever it takes, bring you right to subscribe. You're going to feel better about yourself for doing it, and man, trust me, we're growing, we're having a lot of fun, and I want all of you along for the ride so you can enjoy the wackiness that is this channel. Alright, so like I said, we're going to take a look at Thankful by Damn Yankee Beard Company. It's part of their fall lineup. Damn Yankee, you can find at www.damnyankeebeard.com. Pete, you wonderful, incredible, you're a true prince among men. He is the owner, and he is just very, very passionate about what he does. And man, he seriously, quietly, silently just takes care of people. He doesn't like throw a freaking 80-piece brass band parade right down Main Street in Waco. Sorry, it's the first town in Texas that came to mind. Sorry. Probably should have said El Paso or Dallas, but for some reason I want Waco. Just to announce what he does, he just does it. Man, Pete, you have my respect forever, bro, for how you've treated me. They are made in the USA, and like you can assume, right out of Texas. One of the biggest reasons I love this company is one of their founding tenets is absolutely no bull. He does it. He makes products. If it doesn't work, it's gone. If he can change it, make it better, he will. And man, Pete, what you've been doing, wow. I've got at least 3 more after this one that I got to review. But speaking of stuff from Damn Yankee Beard Co., look right up top. There's going to be a card for every single skincare, beard care, hair care, whatever, sitting right up there. As of filming this video, I know there should at least be 2 up there, because this is like the 3rd I think I filmed for his company. But still. Now, I saw this one on a Beard Times with Scott live feed, where they were rolling out the fall scents for Damn Yankee Beard Co. And what I thought was cool is his better half, Mandy, was, you know, sniffing him along, and she was talking about her feelings about stuff. So I said, hey, Scott, look, there's 4, bro. Have Mandy pick one. I want to know her favorite. I will bring it to the channel, and I will give her credit for choosing that one. I'm a man of my word. She, like, you know, Thankful. I went, this is the one. The moment I got it in and smelled it, I was very thankful, Mandy. I seriously, truly was, because it smells freaking amazing. When I opened it up, all I could think about was holidays with the family. Seriously. When you're sitting down at that table and all those smells are assaulting your senses, you know, the pies, the cakes, the everything, it's just, wow. Its scent profile is cranberry, orange, and cinnamon. Now, I know, you wouldn't think it works, but it does. It's got a really medium scent strength that lasts a very long time. Lasted about 8 hours on me. And I was just like, oh, hell yes. I just love this smell. I mean, you gotta make sure, seriously, before you put them on, you shake the crap out of it. Okay, that way all the oils remix up. That way nothing's settled. You get a good overall coat. Yeah, it's just... seriously, it just reminds me around being with the holidays with people that I like. Notice I really didn't say family. I said people that I like. But still. Comes in a 1-ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top. And it's going to run you $15.99. That's kind of like right in the middle, because beard oil is usually going from on a lower end, $10, to on a higher end, $20 and higher. I saw some companies out there wanting to charge $50 for a 1-ouncer, and I'm like, no. No, if you'd like to send me stuff, I'll review it, but I'm not spending $50. And I prefer to support small batch companies like Pete because, man, they just do incredible work. They seriously, truly do. Now, the carrier oils in here are the usual blends of their jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and fragrance oil. Now, there was an added kick with this one, all right? That card a little while ago, you're going to see Damn Yankees Eraser to Go. After I did a review on that, Pete reached out and went, man, thank you so much. That was cool. We have our hot, oh my God, the holiday scents, rolling out. Excuse me, the fall collection. There we go. I keep getting tongue-tied this morning. We have the fall collection rolling out. Would it be okay if I sent you a sample? And I'm like, yeah? Uh-huh. True to his word. I'm even wearing this one as I'm filming this video. He sent me a sample of their Bountiful. You wouldn't think it works, and I'm only going to talk about it briefly because it's going to get its own review in a little bit, but it's pipe tobacco and spiced pumpkin. And it's really weird. I'm wearing this one, and I use Chesapeake Beard Co.'s whiskey patch co-wash this morning. So those two blended together incredible. So, gee, Pete, did you have a little talk with Gary and you guys just cross-mingled and perfect match? But like I said, guys, Pete's a man of his word, and he sent it out. I was just like, damn, awesome, brother. So this one will get its own review because I think these are about the same size that he sends out. If you guys order like a bigger dram of sample, we'll get into that in the next video. I don't want to get too far off track. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, that's okay. It's got 3 really, really good uses. Basically what you need to do is get whatever amount you need in there. Oh yeah, by the way, there's the oil. No one cares what color it is, but there is, it going. Easily to me, it's kind of like a medium strength oil. It's not runny as crap and it's not heavy like motor oil. So we're good. It's about the medium of the line. Get whatever amount you need, that little eyedropper top. Everybody uses a different amount. Dispense it into your palm and start rubbing your hands together to warm it up. That really helps activate that scent profile, and when it gets up into you, you're like, oh yeah. And just rub it right. Nice, baby. And you just start rubbing it right down into your skin. Beard oil is more for your skin than it is for your beard. I know, weird, but we'll get right there. Simply because your body can only produce so many healthy oils to keep your hair growing nice, luscious, beautiful, strong, no split ends. Doubt me? Go a week without showering. Seriously. This is going to be greasy as you know what. This is going to be dry, brittle, and bird's nesty. So that beard oil gets in there and helps. It's a vitamin supplement. It's, that steroid booster. Second, it's going to soften up your beard. All right? So you really don't want your better half getting close with you and be like, ugh, Brillo pet. No. And third, the scent profile of the beard oil is going to linger in there for a long time, and it's going to make you smell wonderful, so you have that added bonus of smelling good by using beard oil. That's 3 incredible things, right? All right, hope I mentioned $15.99. If I didn't, there we go. But here's the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I think Pete does an... Hey, can I finish filming? Thank you. I think Pete does an incredible job running that company. Man, he takes care of people. How he's treated me has been phenomenal. That has my respect, and he's going to continue to have my money. Trust me on that. I want to know if you guys have used Thankful. Have you used any products by, Damn Yankee? I want to know, your successes, your failures, everything. Leave those things down below because you never know who's watching, and you guys could help inform somebody else other than my opinion. Just thought. Because I seriously love what he's doing, and I love these oils. But I'm starting to ramble, so that's the cue for you first-time viewers. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said earlier, man, I know your time is your most precious commodity, and thank you for some of that. I seriously hope I earn more of it today. So now, for you first-time viewers that didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, here's a great chance to do it because we believe in second chances here on the channel. Look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel logo popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon or the notification symbol, however you want to look at it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My take on Damn Yankees Thankful Beard Oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great one today.